Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, if you remember, on 4th of May, I gave you three tables of 11, 12 and 13, and I asked you to write those tables twice every day. So those who wrote it honestly, regularly, I'm 100% sure now they are able to write these tables. Okay, so next three tables I am taking today, tables of 14, 15 and 16. Okay, so speak after me. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 six are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126 and 14 tens are 140. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 six are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. Now come to 16's table. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 six are 96, 16 sevens are 112, 16 eights are 128, 16 nines are 144, 16 tens are 160. So students, from today onward, now you will write these three tables twice every day. Okay, but don't forget to revise previous three tables. Previous three tables means 11, 12 and 13. Now daily you will write one time only by your own. Okay, and these three tables now you will write twice in a day. Okay, so students, as you know, we are doing large number chapter. So today our topic is expanded form and standard form. So you all are aware of expanded form. This you have done in your second grade also. Okay, both are opposite to each other. So first I am taking expanded form. Suppose this number is given 7432 and you are supposed to write it in expanded form. So first step, students, write down places on each digit. Now you are aware of places. So we will start from here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now how to write expanded form? Start from here. 7 is on which place? 1000. So its place value is 7000. In previous session I told you what is the difference between place and place value. 1000 is its place and 7000 is its place value. So 7 is on 1000, so 7000. Plus 4 is on 100 place, so 400. Plus 3 is on tens, 30. Plus 2 ones means only 2. So it means in expanded form we have to add all the place values of all the numbers. Okay, 7000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. When we will add these two, again we will get this number. Okay, so this is your answer. This is called expanded form. How to expand the number? I am taking one more example. Here I am taking next number 6050. In this sum, if you see, 2 places are 0. So what to do then? So first step is same. Write the places on each digit, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So now add all the place values. 6000. Now 100. There is 0. So its place value will also be 0. So we will add 0. Don't write here 3 times 0. No need to write. Okay. Single 0. Plus 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. Plus 2. Sorry. Here it is 0. So it will be 0 here. So here also 0. Okay. So 6000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 0 will be the answer. So this is expanded form. How to expand the number. Now next topic is how to write in standard form. This sum is totally opposite to it. Now in statement, expanded form will be given and you have to make the number. Okay, let's see. So first example is given here, 5000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 2. Okay, so first write down the places only, not the number, just write down the places. Biggest place is 1000. So we will write 1000, 100, tens, ones. Okay, you will write only places. Now first is 5000. So under 1000 we will write 5. Next 300. So under 100 we will write 3. Next is 9 tens. So under 10 we will write 9. Next plus 2. So 2 will be under ones. So which number we are getting here then? 5392. From expanded form we will convert it into standard form. This is standard form, this is expanded form. This is the difference. Okay, one more example I am taking here. So it is 500 plus 6. Now very few place values are given, some place values are missing. So what to do it then? We will see the first place value. So it is in 100, so no 1000 is given. So we will start from 100. Once we have started, we have to write then all the places. We cannot skip any place. Means tens is not given, so we can skip 10. No, then your sum will be wrong. So first place is 100. So start from 100, 100, tens, ones. So this is 500. So 5 under 100. Now no tens. No tens means 0 tens. Then ones. How many ones? 6 ones. So which number we are getting? 506. I hope it is clear to all. Thank you, students.